Struggling to climb the stairs this morning without that familiar, nagging ache in your knees? Or maybe you found yourself hesitating before picking up your grandchild because you're worried your joints might give out. You're not alone, and let me tell you, it isn't just age creeping in. It's often a sign that your body is missing the essential building blocks it needs to repair itself. When we lose our mobility, we lose a piece of our independence, and that can be a frightening thought. But the good news? You can turn this around with simple, delicious changes you can start today. I'm Dr. David Thompson, a health expert dedicated to helping you live your most vibrant life after 60. Stick with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to show you how to eat your way to stronger joints. Let me know in the comments, does that morning stiffness sound familiar to you? Here's the thing, think of your knee joints like the hinges on a garden gate. If they get dry and rusty, they creak and grind. In our bodies, that oil is largely influenced by omega-3 fatty acids. Scientific studies, including those from Harvard Health, show that omega-3s significantly reduce the production of enzymes that break down cartilage. It's not just about greasing the wheels, it's about stopping the rust, which we call inflammation, from eating away at your bones. You don't need a fancy chef to do this. If you're in the UK or Australia, a simple grilled mackerel on toast is a perfect breakfast. In the US or Canada, try to aim for wild-caught salmon at least twice a week. You'll be surprised how easy this is. If cooking fresh fish feels like too much work, high-quality canned sardines or tuna in water are excellent, affordable alternatives. Just toss them into a salad or have them with some whole grain crackers. By adding these healthy fats, you're helping your body maintain that protective cushion between your bones. This means more morning walks on the beach or through the park without that bone-on-bone feeling. If you're finding this helpful so far, please hit that subscribe button. We release new videos every week specifically for the 60-plus community to help you stay strong and independent. You've likely heard that berries are superfoods, but for your knees, they are specifically inflammation extinguishers. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with anthocyanins. These are powerful antioxidants that seek out and neutralize the free radicals that cause swelling and pain in your joints. Think of it as a natural cooling system for your knees. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who consumed berries regularly showed a marked decrease in inflammatory markers in their blood. This is a breakfast classic for a reason. Swap your usual sugary cereal or plain white toast for a bowl of steel-cut oats topped with a handful of blueberries. It takes 2 minutes and tastes great. If fresh berries are out of season or too expensive, frozen ones are just as good, sometimes even better because they are frozen at peak ripeness. When you lower systemic inflammation, that heavy feeling in your legs starts to lift. It makes getting in and out of the car or gardening much more comfortable. Are you a fan of blueberries or strawberries? Let me know your favorite way to eat them in the comments below. Most people think only about calcium for bones, but here's where it gets interesting. Without vitamin K, that calcium doesn't know where to go. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in vitamin K, which acts like the scaffolding or the glue that keeps calcium in your bones and out of your arteries. Stronger bones mean less stress on the knee cartilage itself. I know, not everyone loves a giant kale salad. But here's a trick. Take a handful of spinach and toss it into a morning smoothie with a banana. You won't even taste it. Or, if you're making a soup or a stew, staples in the UK and colder parts of the US, simply stir in some chopped greens at the very end. They wilt down to almost nothing but pack a huge nutritional punch. This habit doesn't just help your joints, it keeps your entire skeletal system resilient. It's about being able to stand tall and feel sturdy on your feet when you're out shopping or traveling. Your cartilage is made up of a protein called collagen. As we age, our collagen factory slows down. To keep it running, your body absolutely requires vitamin C. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are essential because vitamin C is the primary cofactor in collagen synthesis. Without it, your body simply cannot repair the wear and tear in your knees. Start your morning with a glass of warm water and a squeeze of fresh lemon. It's a great way to hydrate and kickstart your collagen production. Or, simply enjoy a fresh orange as a mid-afternoon snack instead of a biscuit or a processed snack bar. It's refreshing, and your knees will thank you. Think of collagen as the shock absorber in your knee. By boosting your vitamin C, you're essentially helping your body retread its own tires, allowing you to stay active and keep up with the grandkids. In the world of natural health, these two are the heavy hitters. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that has been shown in some studies to be just as effective as certain over-the-counter pain relievers for knee osteoarthritis, but without the stomach upset. Ginger works in tandem to block pain signaling pathways. You don't have to cook complex curries every day. You can buy turmeric and ginger tea bags at almost any grocery store in the US, UK, or Australia. Or try golden milk, warm milk, dairy or almond, with a half teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. The pepper helps you absorb the turmeric. It's a wonderful, soothing drink before bed. Reducing your reliance on pills while managing pain naturally is a huge win for your long-term liver and kidney health. It's about feeling lighter and moving with more fluidity throughout the day. To recap, these 5 powerhouses, fatty fish, berries, leafy greens, citrus, and warming spices like turmeric, can truly transform your mobility. We're talking about lubricating your joints, extinguishing inflammation, and rebuilding your cartilage from the inside out. Imagine waking up 3 weeks from now and realizing you didn't even think about your knees when you got out of bed. Imagine going for that long walk in the park or chasing your grandkids around the garden without a second thought about pain. These simple steps get you there. You have worked hard your whole life. You deserve to enjoy these years with a body that supports you, not one that holds you back. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like. It helps more seniors find this information. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these 5 foods are you going to add to your grocery list this week? Drop it in the comments. This is actually part of a series on joint health. Make sure to watch our next video, Top Supplements That Help Rebuild Knee Cartilage Naturally, where we'll look at the science behind glucosamine, chondroitin, and more. I'm Dr. David Thompson. Stay active, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.